contradict in our own
No, no, it's not possible to ratify the entire constitution. You know, just put it in your own words. It's
By
not.
studying the article.
But read the article. Read D.D. Boshu because that is one book, authoritative book on the constitution.
So what does the examiner want to know by power map, constitution as a power map?
How will I answer that? I mean, you have to ask the examiner. But what I think is that what the person wanted to know was that constitution above the practical politics or a political culture of a society is a bigger indicator above that of the fact where power lies. Okay? Okay. President, if India is the first citizen, okay, but the constitution very clearly says that Article 74 something, he has to listen to the Prime Minister. Prime Minister has to consult, give reports to whatever. So you know where the power lies. Okay, just to give you one example. So I think constitution in countries which have constitution, which have constitutional government, is the final indicator of where the power lies and where actual power lies. I think उसी पे elaborate करना था मुझे.
It conflicts with the supremacy of Supreme Court in India as such. Because Supreme Court is supposed to be the supreme.
No, Supreme Court is not about the basic features of the constitution.
Yes sir, it happens sir. Sir जैसे पॉलिटी का क्वेश्चन लिख रहे हैं तो हमें कुछ केस स्टडी के नाम भी डालने चाहिए लाइक
अगर आप डाल सकते हैं तो क्यों नहीं?
सर कैन यू गिव ए जनरल स्ट्रेटजी फॉर ए न्यू स्टूडेंट सर? वैसे तो सभी 12-13 घंटे मेहनत करते हैं लेकिन जनरल स्ट्रेटजी क्या होनी चाहिए पढ़ने की? सर कितना टाइम देना है?
Sir, how much time a student have to devote?
Look, now that is a question which is very kind of subjective. अब जो ये बात मुझे 1 घंटे में समझ आ रही है, आपको हो सकता है आधे घंटे में समझ आ जाए, किसी और को 2 घंटे में भी समझ ना आए. You get my point?
Depend on the person to
So
person mind.
exactly, it depends on how you read, what you read, आप किस तरीके से पढ़ाई करते हैं, कितना आप 2 घंटे या 4 घंटे की पढ़ाई में से कितना कुछ निकाल सकते हैं. और पढ़ाई करने के भी लोगों के अलग अलग तरीके हैं. Some people are very like focused when they study. Okay, some will okay fine, 2 पेज पढ़ लिया, let's get up and put on some music, you know, and then okay fine, let's get out and have a smoke or whatever. I mean बहुत distractions के साथ पढ़ते हैं. So उनके लिए of course ज़्यादा टाइम चाहिए. But if you are focused, I think 6 to 8 hours is enough. It's sufficient.
Sir,